What's up, YouTube? Check it out. I'm at the arcade. This place is phenomenal. I don't know if you guys are anywhere near this place. I don't know. Let's see. What is the address? So I think we're in Brighton. And this street is, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to put that down in the comments. But this place is amazing. It's called the arcade. Just give you a quick walkthrough. Star Wars, The Walking Dead. I mean, a lot of sit-down games. I mean, if you guys love arcades, this is awesome. What I'm showing you guys now is like, this is your newer stuff. Luigi's Mansion, these are your sit-downs, you know. Dark Escape 3D. Got your Dance Dance that I can't play whatsoever. Several Transformers games. I highly recommend this place. Like, you got Raw Thrills, House of the Dead, you know, Halo, Jurassic Park is always fun. But these are your sit-downs. I mean, they got a lot more than this. This one I actually just beat the game. It was fun. I had a great time. It's a dome style. It's pretty cool. But as you can see, the pinball games are phenomenal. There's a lot. But pinball selection, pretty sweet. There's a little bit of everything. You got Atari, some Nintendo. We're going back into the old school stuff in here, which is more my style. Look, got Dr. Mario. Look, like I don't think I've ever seen that in an arcade, but there it is. And this is pretty much, you know, I believe this is all Atari. Yeah, basically. Like, this place is awesome. It's Friday and Saturday, 20 bucks, unlimited plays. They open at 4, close at 11, I think. I mean, this place is awesome. I had to show you guys this. I mean, yeah. All them old schools, you know what I'm saying? Space Encounters, man. I mean, come on. Look, they even got Dragon's Lair. You know, remember how many quarters you wasted in this? Pretty close to the same thing. Space Ace, tubing. And here in the front, they got some new age stuff. This is really cool. Dirty driving, pretty sweet. As you can see here, ATV Slam, pretty sweet. The coolest one is probably on the end. This is made by Nintendo, called Cruisin' Blast. It's kind of like Cruisin' USA with a little bit of extra. Pretty cool though. But that's basically it for right now. They have a lot more games, but they had to put a lot of them away for COVID. They're around somewhere. I don't know. Where is everybody? So, this place is sweet. You can eat up there. Pretty sweet. I just thought I'd make a quick video. I'll show you guys this place is sweet. I'll leave all the info you're going to want down in the comment section. Keep it tech.